do you know it's male? It might be female.
You'll be seeing lots of us and our dog. Vega! Come here, Vega!
Is that pretty girl? Yeah.
Say hello to the camera, Vega. Need some more light. Vega. Vega! Sit. Shh.
You want a good girl.
Good girl. Shh. Pose. There you go. Look sexy.
Look at those long legs.
Yeah, yes you are. Yeah. Vega!
That's a cute girl.
Woo!
Whistle.
What was James doing the other night? Oh.
I think he likes to hide under the bed.
Vega, I see you.